Namaste. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to connect Eclipse to Tomcat. So, open ID Eclipse, then go to the bottom and click on servers, and the message no servers are available. Click this link to create a new server. Click on this and choose the server Tomcat version 9.0 server. Click on next, then click on finish. Okay, and that's it. As you can see, Tomcat version 9.0 server at localhost, this message displays. So that means Tomcat server has been successfully connected to our Eclipse IDE.